Pinata, that crazy guy that I called Pinata. His name is Pinata. No, his name's Chris. But
get all you can get out of.
My friend Barbie named Pinata. Chris is my pinata. A pinata is something you hit and get candy. Well, I kind of hit Chris and get presents. And he really likes me, but I don't really like him. And he knows that, so I don't really feel guilty. No, because he's fat, gross. I've never had sex with him. And I explained to him that I wasn't interested in him, but, like, he feels like he's going to, like, win my affection. Like, I just want a puppy. Buy me a puppy. Name it Sushi.
As long as you don't do anything, I'll get you your puppy, okay?
I'm not doing anything to anybody. Am I getting a puppy or not?
Said I'd get you a puppy.
Fine. I want the puppy here, though.
Here, I'm not putting the puppy in the bad girls club. Let's be very clear. You're not getting the dog to come home. Because I don't think you're ever going to come home. So I can have the dog shipped to me, and I'll take care of it, me and Vito.
Whatever. I'm going.
Love you.
Look, I really need a puppy. I'm dying.
I said I'd look into it tomorrow.
I want a puppy!
What would you like me to do, Kristen? Give birth to a puppy for you?
Maybe.
Gross.
If I don't have a puppy by the afternoon, I will never talk to you again. I will never breathe your name again if you do not give me a puppy.
Knock it off.
No!
Kristen, first of all, cut the you're a spoiled brat. Second of all, I told you I'd look into it in the morning.
No, I don't want you to look into it. I want you to order me a puppy.
Okay, let's just whip out the credit card of gold. Sorry,
No puppy, I'm done.